dumating si Ella, unplanned talaga siya. Kasi si Mrs. is under medication siya ng PCOS.
Unplanned siya. Although 3 years old si Ellie, we're planning na magkaroon siya ng kapatid. Pero syempre, si Lord ang magde-decide kung kailan niya ibibigay. And then, nang mag-4 si Ellie, I remember, kaka-birthday niya lang, or bago siya mag-birthday, that's the time na nalaman ko na buntis na ako.
Magkahalong saya at lungkot kasi inisip rin namin si Ellie kung paano. Kasi magiging dalawa na sila, pero masaya pa rin talaga.
Luckily, sa help din ng aking OB-GYN si Dr. Rachel Alep King na parang 6 months or 3 months kaming nag-under medication, and then after that, boom, buntis na ako. Pero alam ko, plano din ni Lord na ibigay sa amin si Shanella kasi we've been praying for her nung mga una pang taon. Pero syempre, sabi ko nga, perfect timing ni Lord kung kailan ibibigay. During my pregnancy kay Ella, parang wala akong gusto, lahat ayaw ko. Sobrang hirap compare dun sa pregnancy ko kay Shanella. To the point na kahit water, ayaw ko talaga.
Halos buong pagbubuntis niya, parang yung 9 months doon naglilihi siya, kaya grabing pinayat talaga niya. Mahirap na stage yung first trimester ko kasi hindi ko alam kung magpo-push through siya. Last year nga, May 16, lumabas na yung pinakahihintay namin, si Baby Ella, na ngayon is mag-birthday na siya, first birthday. Sobrang saya kasi mas naging responsible kaming parents dun sa dalawang bata.
Today will be a memory we can make moments into photos we can save. It's a special day. It's a special day. Not a normal, ordinary, regular day. The journey was worth it and you hit a day. It's time for us to celebrate.
I love you.
Through joy and pain, sunshine after the rain.
Happy birthday, Ella. I wish you many birthday wishes to come, and I will take care of you until you grow up. And then I love you always.
Happy birthday, Ella. More birthdays to come.
Today will be a memory we can make. Moments into photos we can take. It's a special.
Shanella's Big Bow, thanks for coming. You're the best. You know my baby sister turns 1 today. A fairy party is on the way. So clap and laugh, dance with cheer. We're so happy that you're here.
It's a special day.
Happy birthday, Ella. Stay pretty always and maging mabait lagi. God bless.
Happy birthday, Ella. As you may know, we are a small family. We are 3 girls, 3 sisters, and then the next generation, it turned out that our babies are all boys. So we've been wanting to have a baby girl until Ella was born. And that's why she's really our princess, our lucky charm, and the answer to the prayer we've been praying for. Happy birthday, Ella, and I can't wait to see you grow and make your dreams come true. We love you. Happy birthday, Ella! We love you!
You hitting up my line, don't break me, get you singing every time.
Nawa, gabayan siya ng Lord. Kilalanin niya ang Panginoon na nagbibigay sa kanya ng buhay at magpapala at mag-iingat sa kanya. God bless you, baby Ella. I love you.
The only wish that I have is for you to be a good kid and to have a very wonderful life.
And kung ano man yung pangarap ng mga magulang mo ay sana ay matupad.
Ang wish ko na lang sa'yo, sana tularan mo sa bait yung daddy at saka mommy. So again, happy birthday, baby Shen.
1, 2, 3, got you hitting up my line, don't break me, get you singing.
Ang message ko sa aking princess, sa aking Chanela Rose, ang aming beautiful baby girl, my Velcro baby. Hayaan mo, Chanela, na i-guide ka namin ngayong baby ka pa, and then kapag kaya mo na, we will let you choose kung anong gusto mong gawin, kung anong gusto mong tahakin.
Hey, baby Ella, happy birthday. Siguro ang wish ko na lang is hindi para sa'yo, kundi para sa amin. Maging responsible parents kami sa'yo, kasi yung pagiging responsible parents, doon nagsisimula yung magkaroon ka ng mabuting anak.
1, 2, 3, got you hitting up my line, don't break me, get you singing every time. Take,
Always remember na si Mommy will never get tired nursing you, and then I will endure every pain sa breastfeeding just to give you kung ano yung gusto mong milk, which is yung breast milk. And sana dun sa unang taon mo, naramdaman mo kung gaano ka kamahal ni Mommy, ni Daddy, ni Kuya Eli, at ng lahat ng taong laging nandyan para sa atin. Happy birthday, anak!